Hi, welcome everyone to this market update through YouTube. So just going to look at chart for Wall Street. Obviously that's where the big moves were yesterday. We saw a 500-point rally in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So if anyone who attended the Monday webinar, this is the little box I pointed out as far as the horizontal trading range that we needed to see a break one way or the other. We also got that big break yesterday, so that was a bullish break higher. Some risk now that it starts to fade. So this is the daily chart behind me of the Dow. This was obviously the big decline that we saw Wednesday last week. So a week ago, that was the follow through on Thursday, and we've had a few trading days since and broken higher. But the risk is we've rebounded from 25,000. Naturally, 26,000 is going to be a magnet for the price. The question is whether it can break through it or not. We've just put, in terms of a retracement of that daily move, we've surpassed the 50% level. But as we head to that 61.8, that's 76.4, these are the risk areas, particularly around that 50-day moving average, which is right on that 26,000 mark. Interesting just to compare that globally. This is the DAX, so a weekly candlestick chart for the DAX. Obviously we've been looking out for that potential head and shoulders pattern, and so we've seen the market rally up through that initial level, which is around the sort of 11,700 mark, but it was this other layer, if you like, within this kind of trading zone of potential support for the head and shoulders pattern of the neckline, around 11,860. That's where the market's pulling back from. And if we zoom down a little bit to the daily candlestick chart, you can see a nice bit of confluence. This was the beginning of the week, so we're looking at a Fibonacci retracement of the week. That low right there, which fits in with that longer term low level we saw on the weekly chart, fits in perfectly as a 61.8% fib retracement level of those declines. So Europe tending lower right now, and the question is whether Wall Street can lead it back higher again or whether Wall Street follows. All right, I'll leave that with you. Thank you very much for watching. Jasper signing out.